We want people to remember Clockwork as being a company that has high integrity, that works hard for the client to give them a project that they are happy with, that when they think about our team is a team that they are excited to work with again in the future, and that when they have another project, there's nobody else they want to think about, just us.
Our communication is above every other company I've ever worked for. We communicate well, we care. That's why we communicate. When something happens, we let the owners know. We need to have their trust in us. So the good and the bad, we communicate everything across the board. We just simply love what we do, and we're good at it.
Pride that everyone took from their projects. It's different because a lot of people that work, they just feel like it's just a job. And so a lot of the time when I'm here, everyone that I've been working with, it's like a career for them. So they're passionate about it. And
so everyone has their own unique way of contributing to a project and a unique and special way of solving problems.
Everyone works together. We work hard to make sure that no matter who you are, you feel included, that you are part of the team. You're integral to the success of every project, no matter who you are and what role you play. As a result, everybody is always willing to roll up their sleeves and do whatever it takes to get the job done and to help everybody else be successful.